Hi, in this video you will see how to start large meetings in Videomeet. To start the large meeting mode on Videomeet, you need to be the host of meeting room. As a host, you have to click on More Actions button adjacent to End Meeting button. Choose Start Large Meeting option. Now go ahead with already selected option. You can tick on Everybody sees what I see on my Videomeet to capture what is displayed on your Videomeet screen, and tick on Participant can send request for unmute to allow microphone request from attendees. Tap on OK. You will have indication when your large meeting mode is enabled. Now to stop, again click on More Actions and choose Stop Large Meeting. When you disable this mode, all attendees are disconnected and all the panelists continue in the room. Thank you.